Let's spice it up with my delicious chili beef tacos with sour cream using Santa Maria. Let's make the beef chili. In a pan, fry some garlic and onion till soft, then add in the beef mince and brown. It's time for the taco spice mix. Add in the taco seasoning, water and cook down for 30 minutes. While the chili is cooking, let's make the sour cream. Mix together the cream, lemon or lime juice and chopped fresh coriander and chill. Add in cooked kidney beans and chopped fresh coriander to the chili and let's warm up the tacos. With everything ready, let's fill the tacos. Spoon in the beef chili and finish off with the sour cream and grated cheddar cheese. These tacos are so easy to prepare and they're delicious. Chili beef tacos with sour cream and cheddar cheese. Give it a try.